No, 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 no.
Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here and you're into 3D printing, photography, tech, drones and whatever interests me, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you won't miss anything. We're talking about DJI today, and we're talking about how DJI approached my situation with my Osmo Pocket 3. I woke up a couple of days ago and this was the issue. I have DJI Care, so I was thinking about sending in for to change it to a new one, but I realized that the regular insurance and warranty was covering that. So I contacted them on the website, and they came back with a label, and they told me to ship it to them with no expenses, and that's what I did. I gave the package to the courier yesterday, and everything was shipped correctly. Now I'm waiting for them to let me know when I have to pick it up. But so far, the experience with DJI was great. I'll let you know. This is just a short video today, but I'll let you know how this finished. I'm shooting now with the Action 4, with the DJI Osmo Action 4, which is a great camera, but Osmo Pocket 3 became my go-to camera, the one I use to do most of my work. I will keep you updated. Smash the like button if you did like the video, subscribe, leave comments down here if you want to share your experience with DJI assistance. Smash the like button again, and I'll see you guys on the next video.